I look beautifully. Greetings, everybody! This is Ghost Shuriken here, aka Dr. Squid. No, it's actually just Dr. Squid, really. So anyways, as myself, I thought of, I was watching some Call of Duty on, like, trash-talking things, and stuff like that. Sorry about that. I just had to climb upstairs. Ooh, I'm out of shape. But anyways, so the story goes like this. This is how it goes. So the fact was, when I was playing Call of Duty on my PlayStation 3, whatever console, and the fact was that I am not really a professional player, but I like playing the game because it's fun. So anyways, I had a match with someone, and I was like, this looks like a good match. I'd like to try it out. So I played, but then pretty much though, I was like getting beat so dang hard, really. And the fact is, I was like crying with my own tears. Not to lie, I did actually cry. I was like, come on, come on, and all that. I was like seriously raging. And I was just like, okay, you're fine, you're fine, you're fine. Just calm down, calm down. And pretty much so, fact was, I know how to calm myself down. While these other kids that are somewhere on YouTube are like raging in his own head, saying like, oh hey, look at that, it's Gosha here. Look at him, he's such a piece of shit, really. Doesn't know how to play games much. Man, you suck. Like, I swear, really, I hate those kind of people. Like, they say that you're hacking, but you actually are not. You're just, like, good at playing. How are you hacking, really? And another thing, how are you, like, lagging if the connection's okay? It's in the green, actually, if you didn't notice. For instance, that was my battle with like one good guy, actually. And I didn't get the chance to speak to him because I didn't have my own mic and headset. That kind of sucked real very much. Oh shit! I totally forgot to ask Dad about that. I might get it for Christmas. You know, I think I should do that. I should, the first thing in the mind, get the headset for the PlayStation. For the mic too. Because, like, when I'm going and playing on Call of Duty, I might be needing some voiceovers. Yeah, definitely. And, I think I might need to get a better camera, because the phone is somewhat not going good. But I know from other, like, YouTubers that they always like saying like, hey yo, please leave a like down below and all that stuff. But hey, if you like to leave a like, that's fine by me. But if you just leave a dislike, then it's like, oh, okay then, well, if you hate this channel, alright, fine. Sure thing, man. Sure thing. I don't know why anyone likely dislike this. Maybe it's because it's a horrible video, or I just don't know, really. I really just don't know. But the fact is, I don't even know. I actually had this fight once at school, at Edison, and the fact was that there was this guy who was talking about rice gum, or the Asian Jake Paul, I would call him. Because this guy, he's like a complete, total asshole, really. I swear. Like, this guy's really an asshole. So, fact is, I think I might get popular if I gotta play some games, that is. But I like to do some vlogs, really. I like to talk a lot. Sometimes with the camera, sometimes without the camera, but I really like to talk to people. I wonder if I can do Omegle. I might do Omegle. I might do Omegle episodes. So I think that might be a good start. Omegle's like a good start for me right now. So I think that's a good idea. So yeah. Anyways, that was this is the vlog. So that's the end of the vlog today. I hope you all enjoyed it. And here's the thing. Nobody really likes freaking asshole in Call of Duty. By the way, that first clip, I just found some sunglasses on the table, really. I think the meme is gonna be like really original. I hope they're gonna make a meme out of that. I wish. I really wish. I really wish I was a meme, a YouTube poop even. I hope, really. If you guys make YouTube poops of me or something, or make jokes out of me, or if you try to roast me, then it's you know, I don't know, really. I don't know what you guys might do. But, hey, if you want to do YouTube poops about me, like using my source from my videos, that's fine by me. That's totally fine. This is total shit, really. Anyways, I might take a bit of a nap. Something like that. And by the way, don't forget, when you are watching Content Cop, Jake Paul, don't forget to put in Rice Scum is a bitch. Hashtag Rice Scum is a bitch. Because sometimes you'll go towards that place, and yeah. That's the whole thing. But you know what I really hate more than, like, kids always getting angry now? You know what I hate more than that? Hold on, let me find it. Here it is. This is what I fucking hate about freaking, like, YouTubers who do this. Look at this. React videos. I don't even know why they're still on trend even. Why the fuck? It's bullshit. Just freaking stop!